In the world of vintage cars, there's a unique thrill that comes with the hunt for that elusive part. Those who have spent hours scouring the internet, auto shops and junkyards for that one component to complete their classic Australian Holden or Ford can attest to this. But what happens when that component is nowhere to be found? When the part is so rare, it's as if it's disappeared off the face of the earth. Well, there's an innovative solution that might just be the answer to these woes. Reverse engineering by Total 3D, a Melbourne, Australia company that is focused on all of this type of restoration of car through replacement parts. Take, for instance, the case of a 1968 Holden Monaro, a classic Australian beast of a car, but sourcing parts for this machine can be a Herculean task. One particular owner was on the hunt for a new interior panel, a part that had long since stopped being produced. It seemed like a dead end. But then, Total 3D and their reverse engineering skills stepped in to save the day. Reverse engineering, in its simplest form, is the process of deconstructing an object to see how it's made. In the case of our Monaro owner, a friend who happened to have the same model of car allowed him to borrow the elusive panel. From there, it was a journey of discovery. The panel was meticulously scanned, every curve, every edge, every minute detail captured in high resolution. This data was then transferred into a computer-aided design model, creating an exact digital replica of the original part. The beauty of this process is in its precision. Every detail is captured, ensuring the final product is as close to the original as possible. But creating a digital model is just the beginning. The real magic happens when this model is brought to life. Through 3D printing, vacuum forming, pressure forming, or CNC machining, the digital model is transformed into a tangible physical part. Just like that, the once elusive panel was recreated and was ready to be installed in the Monaro. So, the next time a part seems impossible to find, consider the power of reverse engineering. It's more than just a last resort. It's testament to human ingenuity and our love of classic cars. It's a way to keep these mechanical marvels on the road, their engines purring, their bodies gleaming, and their owners smiling. Imagine the possibilities. That rare steering wheel, that unique grille, or that discontinued emblem can all be brought back to life with this innovative process. It is a bridge between the past and the present, a way to keep the legacy of these classic Australian Holdens and Fords alive and roaring. So to all those vintage car enthusiasts out there, remember, when the part you need seems to have vanished into thin air, don't despair. Reverse engineering could be the key to unlocking the door to your classic car's revival. It's not just about restoring a car, it's about reviving a piece of history. Contact Matt at total3d.com.au for more information and to discuss what you need to complete your beloved ride.